In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Gmail. The method is very simple, but you must watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open Gmail. Select Google. Then click on this Create Account option. Select for myself. Now enter your full name. Click on Next. Enter your date of birth and gender. Then click on Next. Click on this option Create your own Gmail address. Now enter your new Gmail address here. Once you have entered the new email address, click on Next. Now create a strong password for your Gmail account. Click on Next. Now it's asking you to add your phone number. So scroll down. And if you want to add your number, then click on Yes, I am in. Otherwise, click on Skip. Click on Next. Scroll down and click on Agree. And that's it, your Gmail account is now created. So that was it for this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.